I judged the person. I said, kato imong gibuhat, dili man na maayo. Na ako'y kaila, one time, let's say, mga a couple years ago, nga, kabalo ko nga na siya'y bati kayo nga gibuhat. Like, sala gyud. And so one day, I had to confront this person. And I said, kanang, kabaw ka nga, I know what you did. Kanang, kabalo ko unsay imong gibuhat. But, what I want to do with you is I want to tell you that ang akong gusto is I want to be Jesus for you. I said, I believe in you. I know that you are better than this. And I was thinking, mga unsa man ka, like, what would have been this moment if ever ang akong choose nga reaction sa iyang sala, siyang sayop would be just to condemn ba? Murag ibutang og babag between me and that person. It would have been so sad. And yet, here's the thing. Ikaw, nga mo tanaw sa kaninga video, you can do the same. Pwede ikaw mahimong sama ni Jesus. I know that so many times we would love to punish someone. And yeah, also, I forgot to say actually, importante man sa usahay nga na ay justice, right? Basta ay bati nga gibuhat, kinahanglan nga usahay na ay justice, no? Sa mga criminal, mga kuan. If someone has done a crime, they should be punished. But that does not mean that they are condemned. Because just like Jesus said, kita isip mga sumusunod ni Jesus, we have to believe in that person. We have to believe nga they are better than their sin. You can do the same.